everyone, welcome to our channel isaykids. The word of the day is Genesis. Genesis means birth or origin. It can be the origin or birth of an idea, plan, career, thought, etc. The book of Genesis is an account of the creation of the world, the early history of humanity. Genetics is the science that deals with the transmission of hereditary characteristics from parents to offspring. Gene is the basic unit of heredity that occupies a specific location on a chromosome. The scientist specializing in the field is geneticist. Genealogy, study of family tree or ancestral origins. The practitioner is genealogist. Congenital. Con is a prefix meaning with or together. A congenital defect or deformity is the one associated with birth. Root word gene.
Genesis.
The associated words we have learned today are Genesis, genetics, geneticist, genealogy, genealogist, congenital. Hope you had fun with learning. Do you know of any other word that has the root word gene? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Keep watching isaykids.